The objective within this lesson is to solve word problems involving the division of whole numbers with answers in the form of fractions or whole numbers. A total of 2 yards of fabric is used to make 5 identical pillows. How much fabric is used for each pillow? Let's draw a bar model. And that bar model represents 2 yards of fabric. For how many pillows? Right, 5. So 5 identical pillows. So we're trying to figure out how much fabric for one pillow. 5 units is equal to 2 yards. 1 unit is equal to 2 divided by 5 then. Or our unknown is equal to 2/5. 2/5 yards. For our check, 5 times 2/5, which equals 2/5 plus 2/5 plus 2/5 plus 2/5 plus 2/5, which equals 10/5, which I can remember as 5/5 plus 5/5, which is 1 plus 1, which equals 2. 10/5 does equal 2. So our answer does check. Each pillow uses 2/5 yards of fabric. And I can express that with a sentence. An ice cream shop uses 4 pints of ice cream to make 6 sundaes. How many pints of ice cream are used for each sundae? So a tape diagram to represent the problem. All the ice cream is 4 pints. And we're making 6 sundaes. So then we have 6 units there. 6 units equals 4 pints. 1 unit is equal to 4 divided by 6, which equals 4/6, which also equals 2/3. Each sundae uses 2/3 pints ice cream. Running a check. That's 6 times 2/3. That's equal to 2/3 plus 2/3 plus 2/3 plus 2/3 plus 2/3 plus 2/3. If I express it as repeated addition, that's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12/3, and 12/3 does equal 4. So the answer does check. So not only am I reading the problem, I'm drawing a picture, and I'm also writing out what it is that I'm doing. RDW. Here's problem 3. An ice cream shop uses 6 bananas to make 4 identical sundaes. How many bananas are used in each sundae? Use a tape diagram to show your work. So I have a tape diagram to begin with for 6 bananas. And I'm dividing it into 4 parts, 4 equal sundaes. So I have 4 units equaling 6. So that's 1 unit equaling 6 divided by 4, which equals 1 with remainder of 2, so 1 2/4, which does equal 1 1/2. Run my check. 4 times 1 1/2. Does that equal 6? That equals 1 1/2 plus 1 1/2 plus 1.5, plus 1.5. Adding together my halves, that's 1/2, 2 halves, 3 halves, 4 halves. And 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 4. So I have 4 plus 4 halves, which equals 4 plus 2, which does equal 6. So there are, each Sunday uses 1 1/2 bananas. Complete the rest of the problem sets using the RDW approach, where you're reading, you're drawing, and you're writing.